Yeah.
Girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings? Would it just been safe? But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away. Simply run away. Can try to run and hide, make a difference. Can't lie to yourself. I think it hurts when it comes to but you in love. Hey, yes sir, that's her. But it wasn't like that back when I met her. It was the lavish life from all the ghost mud. Before the double R had to hitchhike some. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got caught up. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up. But there's more to it, I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it, I just hum and let the watch give up the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a...
There is a lot of good stuff at this little thing. He got pickles, pickled mushrooms, horseradish, pickled beets, a whole bunch of different type of jams. Oh yeah, and they got the eggs. You know how much eggs are going for right now? It's the first one of the season, right?
No, it's still technically.
It's our first one.
Yeah, it's our first one. It's still technically considered the winter farmers market until May, and we just so happened on a lucky day when it opened.
Yes. It's pretty good.
Okay, good.
I ain't gonna lie. We tore that thing up. We tore it up. It was so good. We got a salmon sandwich.
Y'all, it's so good. It's so crispy. It's so buttery. It's so lemony. It's just perfect. We literally wait every single summer to get one.
Yeah, it was
It's
really
so
good. It was really good.
I'ma tell you this one time, boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? 'Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. 'Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. Does it make me feel this way? It's kinda like oh, you make me feel and believe in me all. Nothing like when we lock eyes. I look away from time to time. All I see is you right now. Just wanna lay with you.
Yeah. We got the whole tent. Oh, this is lit. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah, we got blankets.
Over foot.
You all night, feel your body next to mine. Boy, I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side.
Guys, we are in a tent. We put up this tent. We just got it today. And we are trying it out. It's huge though. Hold on. We're getting blankets, book, you know, the accessories. But it's huge. Like, look, I could stand up in it.
You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. 'Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. 'Cause you make me feel this way. And it's kinda like, oh,
Make sure that your plants don't have any like got nice lanterns or flashers.
what have you become? Matter of fact, nah, that's what you've been. I was blind, I was in it, I was fine. Oh, I thought that I was changing you. I can't believe I faced you. You know your mama ain't raised you like that. Look at your behavior, that's what she is ashamed of you, damn. Look at what you become, right up at what you've been. I was just blind, I was just so in it, I was just so committed. Now I don't regret it, I know what love is once I